Okay, this is the Eldorado model M75-1061.
Take a walk, take a look at things. Let's do it. We might as well start with the front end on the controls. Basic package. Drives are down low, servo drive, and just a couple relays. Twin spindle Eldorado. And we are currently running, I'm tempted on the floor here at 220 volts right now. Main air package coming in really just for the two stop dead cylinders on the end of the machine. Both have the flow minders on this machine also. And coming around here, the two servos, we're missing one cover. We'll see if we can get this thing ordered up, maybe before the machine ships. The air package again is all for the cylinders. And of course the air packages for the air lube for the spindles, which I haven't gone into because we haven't run it long enough to really check it out, but each of these get the air lube, oil mist to the spindles. And the other console here, flow minders here. Console, both of the spindle load gauges work, which is nice. We do have a schematic in here on the door. Same style servo drive down low, electric panel. Yeah, we can jump in right away and power it up. I'm under power right now, so we do a few manual movements of the machine here. Just to get going right straight away, I'm going to bring the spindle up on manual mode for a check. I put a tach on them. They're both pulleyed right now at about 1500. They weren't running that fast, so they sound pretty good actually. Forward, reverse on the servos. If I get into manual, that usually works better. Servos seem to work pretty good. And then we can get into feed now also, manual feed right here. What am I at? 83. If I kind of hold this in, you kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm just feeding. I'm just going to flip the thumb wheel slower. I'm just moving down the center one, 43. 33.
I'm going to get in close on the...
23, you can hardly see that. If I jump up on the big numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you see how that works. That all works pretty good. Let me return it. Let me lower it down to about 85 or something like that. And there we go. 85 is a pretty good number just to watch the auto cycle. I'm going to go into auto. I've already got my jumper on to simulate oil pressure for the machine, so we've got auto built in and we're ready to cycle. Time's out about 4 seconds. Give the oil the time to come on, then it goes. There it is. Spindle load is working, feed is working. Off the ball screw side, or just...
Where would you like me to stand?
With the ball screw side, okay. Maybe on the back side. We'll do one more cycle. I'll just start it up right away. You kind of get the whole servo motor going in condition as soon as it takes off here. And I'll slow it down a little bit maybe. Speed it up one maybe. Speed it up again. 200. And coming around to this side, you can pretty much do the same thing. Manual chuck, air cylinder, this all works. I put a line to it temporarily, just for a blind hole. Just these are 2 air circuits here. I didn't even try this one. Oh, it works. There you go. First time I tried that. It does the same thing as the cycle button up front, so we can leave that one run and come on over here, or you can finish it off. It's moving pretty fast. That's a fast gun cycle, let me tell you. We're moving. That part is done. Same thing here. We can do a check on the spindle. It's running the same RPM, about 1500. That's a manual push. And forward jog, if we're not in auto, that's all good. That all sounds pretty nice, Pete. This one's set around 85, same thing. I'm gonna go into auto and just hit cycle start. Same thing, got about 2 or 3 second time delay to give the oil time to come on. Then you'll see the load kick on and spindle and feed work through. The spindle's on right away, then the feed will come on after the delay. There it goes. Same thing, we're at 85 and go to 75, 65, 5, 4, 3, 2. You get it moving pretty slow. We're moving, but you can hardly tell on the camera probably. Then I'll jump up to 125, 225, and we're ripping right through it. So give it one more, give it down around 90 maybe, and we'll move around to the backside maybe. That's all moving forward now. You can see the belts and everything here. Let's run the low end here to get around to the back. Thrust meters working. And also the feed thrust meters are working too. So we got everything going on. If I hold this thing back, I can actually get the needle to move. So yeah, both feed thrust meters work and both spindle load meters are working. And that's about it. Like I said, we're wired low voltage and one set of pulleys with each one. That's all we got with them. That's it. Done deal here.
Let's go see the coolant system real quick.
Yeah, that's right down the line here.
Don't forget about me.
Ready when you are. It's not far.
I'm going to start out the front just because it's easier for me to get there. Yeah.
Probably get in there. Yep. What is this, F18? Yeah.
Yep.
F18 coolant system. I don't know if you could lean in, I can open it up for you.
Yeah, would you please?
Gauges are on, got some drill bits with it. And, yeah, here we go. Some U-filter elements came with it. We just threw those in there. It all looks intact. The aftercooler, it all looks pretty clean down in here. Not bad. Not bad. This is all good. And panels open up front here if you want to take a quick look at that. Looks like whoever shipped it bagged it all up pretty good here, Pete. So it's the interface going out to the machine right here. That's all it is too. Looks like they had it a good 15 feet away. That's all bagged up. Obviously, we didn't run any of this, so
Okay.
we're good.
It's a wrap.
Yep. That's all.